Hi, Emma. How was your first day at work?
Hi, Natalia. It was great. I'm very happy.
Really? That's good. Tell me about your day.
Do you want to eat together today? I can tell you about it.
Oh, I can't today. I have an immigration appointment.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Maybe this weekend?
Yes, this weekend is perfect.
Great. Talk to you later.
Bye, Natalia.
Bye.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment.
Your name, please?
Natalia Ivanova.
Thank you. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Please wait in the lobby.
Okay, thank you.
Natalia Ivanova.
Yes, that's me.
Come with me, please.
Sure.
We need your fingerprints and a photo.
Okay.
Put your right hand here, please.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now your left hand.
Here you go.
Great. Now look at the camera.
Okay.
All done. Your new card will arrive in the mail.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Hi, Emma. How was your first day at work?
Hi, Natalia. It was great. I'm very happy.
Really? That's good. Tell me about your day.
Do you want to eat together today? I can tell you about it.
Oh, I can't today. I have an immigration appointment.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Maybe this weekend?
Yes, this weekend is perfect.
Great. Talk to you later.
Bye, Natalia.
Bye.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment.
Your name, please?
Natalia Ivanova.
Thank you. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Please wait in the lobby.
Okay, thank you.
Natalia Ivanova.
Yes, that's me.
Come with me, please.
Sure.
We need your fingerprints and a photo.
Okay.
Put your right hand here, please.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now your left hand.
Here you go.
Great. Now look at the camera.
Okay.
All done. Your new card will arrive in the mail.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Immigration. The process of coming to live in another country. She has an immigration appointment. Appointment. A meeting at a specific time. I have an appointment today. Fingerprint. A mark from a person's finger used for identification. They take your fingerprint at the office. ID. An official card that shows who you are. Please show your ID. Lobby. The waiting area inside a building. Please wait in the lobby. Photo. A picture taken with a camera. They take a photo for the card.